Hey friends, so today, March 22nd, All-Star Movies are reopening for the first time in a year. Crazy. So I figured I would show you guys what a preferred room at the All-Star Movies Resort looks like. Now, alert, warning, spoiler, whatever you want to call it. I technically filmed this video like back in 2019 prior to the Galaxy's Edge grand opening, but for some reason I forgot I had the file until last year during quarantine, and then it was closed. I was like, well, I don't want to post this video if you can't even stay at the resort. So when I found out they were reopening, I figured this is the perfect time to show you what a preferred room looks like at the All-Star Movies Resort. So let's head into the video and I'll show you what a preferred room in building 1 at All-Star Movies looks like. So when you come in the door, this is room 1949. This is the Dalmatian building, number 1, and on the 3rd floor, you turn, there's your window. You turn again, there's this little shelf. There's a coffee maker and an ice bucket and a refrigerator and a little place to hold your stuff. So I've got my drink and phones and wallet and stuff. And as you rotate, there's a nice light fixture. There we go. And then there's a nice bureau with a TV. There are 2 doors. So you have this nice bureau, you've got your TV, and on this bureau, you have 2 normal outlets and 2 USB outlets. And there is one set here, and then one step further down. Now under the bureau, there's these, to start off, there's these 2 doors. You have a safe and some cubbies. And the safe actually looks big enough to hold a laptop, which is nice. And then you have 3 drawers, which for some reason one of them on ours is a different color than the other 2, but I don't know why. Nice and deep. Plenty of room. Now, if you rotate this way, you have the lovely bed with plenty of pillows and some beautiful Mickey Mouse artwork above. I believe this is considered pancake Mickey Mouse style. And on each bedside, there is a light switch, 2 USBs, and 2 normal ports, and this light switch goes to the light. There's also a small cubby here and a little place to put your phone or whatever you want to have by your bed side. Now, as you can tell, there are plenty of pillows. You actually get 8 pillows, so that's awesome. And as for the night side, there's actually 1 on each side, which is really nice. On the side closest to the door, you get a phone and a Bible. And thankfully the phone normally takes up one of the ports, but they have it so it doesn't, which is really nice. You might notice there's actually 2 lights on this. I'm not sure where the other light goes. So there's 2 light switches over here. This one goes to the light, nightstand light. And this one actually helps light up the room with a light above the table and chairs. Or what you may not know that is very special about this table and chairs, and I'm not going to pull it down because I don't know how to put it back, but this is actually a Murphy bed. So yes, this actually is another queen size bed, I guess, that folds down out of the wall. And what's cool is they actually give you instructions. Now, you notice there's another little nightstand over here with some more outlets, which is really nice. And probably one of the nicest features that I think about this room is that there's actually room underneath the bed to store your luggage. So a lot of the resorts originally used to be platform beds, so things wouldn't get lost underneath. But by doing this, because these rooms are smaller, it actually gives you room to store your luggage. And this was actually something that was started on Disney Cruise Line as well. So we're gonna head towards the bathroom. Right here, there's a nice hook. You can hang your hats or your rain jackets on it. It is Florida, it does rain. As you continue into the bathroom, there's a small closet with some extra pillows and blankets for the Murphy bed. And plenty of hangers, and it's nice because it's actually hangers you can remove. It's not the hangers that are like stuck into the hanger rod, and you get 8 regular hangers and then 2 with clips. I'm not sure if you can see that, but you get an ironing board. And I assume there's an iron, a hair dryer, some extra TP. These are great storage. You get a tissue box. There's more storage down here and down here. Get some extra towels. You have your beautiful mirror and the Disney Resort H2O Beauty Sea Salt Facial Soap. Gently cleanses face with an oceanside scent. So I'm very excited to use this. There's also a magnifying mirror, so you've got like normal and then 10 times. And it pulls out from the wall, and actually it lights up also. And then as you enter into the bathroom, it's a nice spacious bathroom. You've got towels, more towels. You've got a nice glass door, or glass-like door. It seems relatively easy to like roll. So no more shower curtains sticking to you. And inside there is more of the Disney Resort bath and body products. So you have a shampoo, a conditioner, and can't see that from here, a body wash. And they all are, the body wash is sea salt, the conditioner is sea marine, as is the shampoo. And there's a nice big rain like shower head, which is super awesome. Very excited to take a shower with that. There's 2 other things I forgot to mention. One, to separate off the like sink from the rest of the room, there's a large door that actually slides shut, which before it just used to be like a curtain that pulled across. So this is definitely, I hope for it to be more soundproof, which is really nice. And also it like prevents from a lot of light from seeping out if you're trying to get ready either super early or super late after your family has gone to bed already or is still in bed. And also, there's no clock. But if you're anything like me, you probably sleep with the information guide on from the Disney TV station. So if you're anything like me, you don't have to worry about there not being a clock. Also, most people nowadays have cell phones, so you kind of always have your cell phone with you. So this is one of the newly refurbished rooms for All-Star Movies. I believe they're actually still renovating a few of the rooms further down from us, but we're only here for one night, so we don't really have to worry about sound or whatnot. But this is such an improvement from what it was. I remember it used to have like green carpet and like a random like curtain that you'd pull across to like keep the sound and light out, but it never worked. This is so beautiful. So if you're looking for a room like this, I highly recommend checking out All-Star Movies, the Dalmatian wing. We are actually in the Dalmatian wing, and we're actually in building number 1. So we're super close to the main pool, super close to the food court and the lobby. I didn't request for this. Like, I didn't request for like a close room or a preferred room, or I'm not even sure if it is a preferred room, but my travel agent booked it that way. So like, thanks Brittany. Yeah, these rooms are beautiful. So I definitely recommend checking it out. It's definitely much nicer than it used to be. And now there's coffee pots, which there never used to be also. So big improvement, really nice. I love what they've done with all the outlets, especially in today's society. We're kind of fueled by electricity, unfortunately, but definitely recommend checking it out, especially if you're looking for a cheaper option. I think originally I paid $119 for this room, and now I think it was brought down to like between 89 and 90 bucks. So they dropped down pretty low, and yeah, I think it's a good price for what it is, especially just for one night. And yeah, so that wraps up today's video. Leave any questions or comments you have down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow along with me on my social media, and I'll see you guys next time. And this is Bridget's Buzz.